Okay, so let's work through a few examples of sequences defined by recursion. So in this example here, the first term is defined to be 5, and the rule is going to be to multiply a term by 2 to get the next term. So here we go. A sub 1, the first term is 5. A sub 2, so a sub 2 is defined to be 2 times a sub 1. Well, a sub 1 we have. It's 5. So there we go. The second term will be 10. A sub 3 is going to equal 2 times a sub 2. A sub 2 we found in the step above, 10. So we put that in. We substitute that in. And our output is 20. And finally, a sub 4 will be 2 times a sub 4. I'm sorry, a sub 3. Hello. Sorry about that. All right. A sub 3 we found in the step above, 20. So what we're doing is multiplying 2 times 20. That would give us 40. In all these examples here, I'm just having us work through the first 4 terms. That seems like a goodly number. So here we are. Well, the pattern would be 5 for the first term, 10 for the second term, 20 for the third, and 40 for the last fourth term. All right, let's try next example here. Just get a little bit of variety in our examples. Okay, so we're going to find the first 4 terms of this recursion. The first term is 5, and the rule will be to multiply the term before by 2 and subtract 3. So here we go. The first term was given as 5. The second term will be 2 times a sub 1 minus 3. A sub 1 we found, or that was actually given. I don't know, we found it. It's 5. So there we go, 2 times 5 minus 3. And that gives us 10 minus 3, or 7. The second term is 7. Third term, a sub 3. It's going to equal 2 times a sub 2 minus 3. Well, a sub 2 we found to be 7, so we substitute that in, the 7, and compute. We get 14 minus 3, or 11. 11 is the third term. Finally, the fourth term, a sub 4 equals 2 times a sub 3 minus 3. A sub 3 we found to be 11. We'll substitute that in, and we get 22 minus 3, which is 19. Now, writing out the sequence left to right in a horizontal fashion, we'll have 5, 7, 11, and 19. All right, let's do one more example here. And here we go. So here we have a recursive formula, recursion formula. The first term is given as 16, and the rule will be to multiply a term by a half to get the next term. So here we go. A sub 1 equals 16. A sub 2 is going to equal 1/2 of a sub 1. A sub 1 was 16, so we just need to multiply 16 by half, or if you prefer, divide 16 by 2. That's 8. The second term is 8. A sub 3, the third term, is going to equal 1/2 times a sub 2, 1/2 times the second term. Well, the second term is 8. Therefore, 4. 4 is the third term of our sequence. And finally, the fourth term will be 1/2 times the third term, 1/2 times a sub 3. Well, a sub 3 is 4. Well, 1/2 of 4 is 2. So here we are. When you write out the terms of our sequence, the first term is 16, second term 8, third term 4, and the fourth term 2. Okay, so let me know if these are sufficient examples or not to give you the ability to practice the problems I'm creating in Canvas. I'll definitely add more. There's already some up right now, but there'll be more as time permits. And I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.